What's that sound? It doesn't sound happy.
I'm lost. I can't find my home.
Oh, a little bird. Are you okay?
I don't know where my family is. Everything feels so big and scary.
I could keep playing, but no, I should help you. Don't worry, I'll take care of you. Don't be scared, little one. We'll find your family. Hello, squirrel. Do you know where this little bird's nest might be?
Try the tallest tree in the forest. Birds love it up there.
Hello, rabbit. Have you seen a bird's nest around here?
Listen closely. You might hear other birds calling for it.
Mr. Deer, do you know where a nest could be?
Yes, child, near the big oak tree. Look carefully up high.
Tweety, where are you? Mama, I'm here. Oh, thank you, kind child. You cared when you didn't have to.
I'm just happy Tweety is safe. Caring makes us all stronger.
Greatest gift we can give. When we show kindness, the world becomes brighter and happier for everyone. Caring makes hearts shine brighter.